Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view messages without them knowing. So maybe you have somebody annoying texting you and you don't want to let them know that you saw their message, but you actually did. So I'll show you how to do that in this video today. So first go to Snapchat and then go to your messages. As you can see, I have a text from your mom. I don't want to let her know I saw it though. So what you're going to want to do is grab their profile picture and drag it to the right. But you can't click on the text. You have to click on their profile picture and drag it to the right. And you can see the text right here. But yeah, it's pretty easy. You just grab the profile picture and drag it to the right. And then you bring it back to the left after you're done so it doesn't open it all the way. And you can view whatever chats you want without them knowing. This also works on group chats too. So I'll show you on your mom's account that it actually didn't show anything. As you can see, it's still on delivered. Nothing was read. So yeah, let me switch back real quick. And as you can see, it's still working. The message is still there. It says not opened. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. And you can add me on Snapchat at Tubasa Tech if you want to. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.